Sanibonani sewuyena uBig Fish. Cebe khulu Malibongo FM. NgoBig Fish the private tutor. Ngizolekelela wena mfethu ukuthi imfundo yakho ibe right, ungasalelwa umlenze, uyiphasele nje kahle. Ungabi nengcindezi ukufunda. Njengamanje naka ama-details ami, ungakhohlwa kwabami. Ungakhohlwa usubscribe lapha. Naka education content le nayi number yami yocingo bafethu. Ngiyatholakala ku-WhatsApp, ngiyatholakala ama-calls, nayi email, ungi-emailele mfethu mangithanda. Lokhu nje uzokuthola nakhona laphana epage lapho ku-YouTube kuzonke igama kuvela kancane. Usubscribe nje wena ngaphansi kwakho, ulike ipage futhi mawukuthi leyo nto uyi-understand leyo. Futhi bangabekanga phela hayi thasile icala ukuthi kodwa sengiyacela ukuthi ngiyacela nkosami niphushe nje lapho. Okay, namhlanje ke sizobheka kahle kahle ama-theorist. Sizobheka ama-theorist namhlanje. Kunama-theorist bafethu aenze ku-education. Kunama-theorist enze ku-education. Kune-theorist ekuthiwa uPaulo Freire. Le theorist leyana yaqala ucwaningo layo kusukela ngo-1921 kuze kuyobona 1997. Ilokhu isicwaningela le ndoda leyo ngemfundo yethu yala eSouth Africa ukuthi iyona ibona kanjani ngeso loku-analyze, ngeso lokujula, ibona kanjani umsebenzi wayo. Futhi nathi ngeke sikwazi ukuphikisana nayo ngoba sabantu asiboni ngokufana. Nomunye ubona ngendlela yakhe, nawe bona ngeyakho. Ngeke uzuwazi ukuthi ungagcina usukhala ngayo mhlawumbe uthole segxekeka somewhere. Yindlela abone ngayo, nawe bona okwakho. Ake simbone uPaulo Freire ukuthi uPaulo Freire wenzani emsebenzini wakhe. Critical pedagogy. He was the one who addressed the challenges facing teaching and learning and academics. He found out that traditional pedagogy was oppressive and dehumanizing. He worked to develop a pedagogy that could liberate through concepts. He developed his concepts, philosophy of education, the pedagogy of oppress. uPaulo Freire kwi-critical pedagogy yakhe wabona, ngithi uyakhumbula sikhulumile ngebantu education. Ngesikhathi-ke kwenzeka-ke wayibona ukuthi i-education yethu i-oppressive, sicindezelekile thina and futhi siyasafarisha thina. Njoba si-oppressive nje thina and dehumanizing, lapho thina sasisafarisha singayitholi kahle iy'nsiza kufundisa, singayitholi kahle amaklasi indlela i-teaching and learning process yethu yayingahambi nje kahle. So yena wayebheka lokho, waseyena ezi-establishela awakhe ama-concept ukuthi a-addresse i-education yethu. Ake simbonele ngoba yena kuma-concepts akhe waveza awu-3. Waveza i-banking system of education, wasebheka i-problem pose base of education, wasezogcina nge-dialogue. Ake sibone kwi-banking system ukuthi uthini. He believes that educator is framed as an act of depositing process whereby teachers are the depositor and learners are the depositaries. Lena-ke bafethu idinga isineke ngoba sikhuluma ngama-theory, sifanele sithathe step by step, singaveli sigoqe ndawonye ngoba kuma-assignment kudingakala ukuthi wena ubhale, uyilule, uyi-analyze, ufake ama-example, ukhombise ukuthi yona le nto le uyayi-understand. Uconvince ne-lecturer phela ukuthi hayi cha, khona nami la ngithole khona. Idinga ukuthi ibe ngathi ingalulwa kancane. Lana nje bakuthiwa othisha kumele bayeni ukholele ekutheni ukuthi bayadeposit, othisha bayadeposit deposit iy'ngane zema-depositaries. Kahle kahle uthatha i-education yethu ngokuthi i-education yona izele ini ukuzotshala ulwazi, izobhenka i-information la kumfundi. Bese thina umfundi amucele information le akayinikezwayo. Baqhubeka, he sees learners that are receiver, memorize and repeat about what being taught by the teacher. Uyayibona-ke le usashona ukuthini mama? Angithi njengoba kade seshilo laphana-ke phezulu bathi i-education ilethi ulwazi, thina iy'ngane ziyafunda. Nakho-ke sekuyafundwa-ke iy'ngane-ke ziyayirisiva lo information bese ziyayimemoriza phela lokhu eziyiphinda ziyicabanga ngithi bese ziyayiphinda. Nani nazi ukuthisha uma efundisa uthisha ulokethi again ulokhu uphindile yini kuya-repeat wenzela ini ukuthi abhenke lento le akayitshalayo lengane akayidepositala i-banking system. Usuke njengoba ethi nje iy'ngane lokhu ethi ey'phindisa imemorize kade sitheni zisho ibale again wenzela ukuthi eyitshale kahle iyazeke ungadideki. He also said that the teacher know everything about the subject matter and the learners do not know. They are reliant to their teachers. Thina bothisha yithi esaziyo ukuthi i-subject, i-life skills, iyini, ifundiswa kanjani, ihlukene kangaki, iy'ngane zilindele thina. Azazi iy'ngane ukuthi kwenzakalani, zizwa ngawo nje, kepha bayasazi ukuthi zizwa ngawo. Okusho ukuthi iy'ngane zidiphendele kuthina, thina asize nomsebenzi iy'ngane. The teacher teach and the learners are taught. The teacher think and the students are taught about. Uthisha uyafundisa iy'ngane ziyafunda. Uthisha uqhamuka nemibuzo iy'ngane y'cabangele phezu kwemibuzo ukuze wazi ukuphendula. The teacher talk when presenting the lesson and give instruction and the learners listen carefully so that they will be able to respond to on what they've been taught. Lana ngese kuyasho ukuthi kwi-lesson thina othisha yithi esipresentayo njengoba ngiyipresente lesson iy'ngane nje zazo zona. Ngesikhathi ngipresenta mina ngenza ama-instruction konke iy'ngane zilalele mina uthisha ukuthi ngithini ukuze zibe lula phela ukuthi ngikwazi ukuphendula emva kokuthi wena lento le ade uyifundisile zikwazi ingane iphendule nje kalula ngibe naleyo sezizophendula phela. The teacher discipline learners that are not following the class rules and the learners are being disciplined. Uthisha uyena oyimanager yeclass, uyena ofanele discipline iy'ngane. Uma wena iclass limemeza ligxumagxuma sihamba lapha, thina ngeke sibuke iy'ngane sibheke uthisha. Ukhona umkisa uthisha lela class, iy'ngane ngathi y'bamba umsindo kakhulu. Sithi siyafika eklasini siyamfica uthisha ukhona. Obona okada ukuthi uma ubona iphithizele ingane yomfica enzani uthisha. Ula uyajeza idea. Uyabona nje i-chaos isezandleni ngathisha. Ingane mayibhiyoza uthisha onesandla. Wena sikhathi uhlezi mamatheka nefoni yakho lapha ekhoneni iy'ngane ziyadlala lapha. Okusho ukuthi wena-ke uyabo? The teacher planned the lesson and the learners are relied to their teachers and engaged to the past the teacher taught. Uthisha uyena ozabe lesini iy'ngane zi-engage kuleyo nto ifunde leyo nto leyo. Zikwazi nje ukuyibandakanya zifundile, ufunde kahle kwamnandi kuze kuyoqeda. The teacher provides resources that support teaching and learning and the learners comply so they can achieve the lesson outcomes. Uthisha uletha ama-resources kuzofunda iy'ngane zihlanganele lapho ziy'bandakanya zifunde ekugcineni kosuku wonke ama-outcomes aya-achiveka. Waphinde futhi waqhubeka uPaul Fred wakwenza i-concept yakhe yesibili i-problem posing pedagogy. Lana uthi he was known for his radical education idea, such as his critical pedagogy concepts. He believed that educational movement guided by passion and principle to help learners to develop critical thinkers, able to evaluate the matter, able to solve problems and making decisions by connecting to their real experience. He believed that teaching and learning should occur simultaneously because it ensures engagement on the teacher and the learner within the classroom. Uyayibona ke la i-problem posing pedagogy. Uthi yena ukholelwa kulama concepts akhe awenzile. Yena uyakholelwa ukuthi i-teaching and learning ihambisana nepassion. Uma uthisha kumele ube nepassion yokuba uthisha, ube nothando lokufundisa. Uma unothando lokufundisa awu nakanjani shuthi wena uzokwazi ukufundisa ingane zizwe. Mina as uBigfish nginothando lokufunda. Njengoba nginothando lokufunda ngilibona kuphi na? Ngilibona mawukuthi ngiyakwazi ukuchazela umuntu bese yabizwa. Lokho kwese kungigqugquzela.